सेकंड स्टेप में ऐसे डिटरेंस होनी चाहिए कि अगर कोई करेगा तो ही विल फेस द कॉन्सिक्वेंसेस। अब ऐसे मतलब ऐसी बात नहीं है कि हम सब बैठे हुए हम 6 जजेस, आपका क्या ख्याल है, कोशिश नहीं की होगी हम पे?
नहीं, बिल्कुल बिल्कुल बिल्कुल।
तो हम सब बैठे हुए, कोई कह दे कि किसी ने हमको प्रिवेल किया, मैं ये कहता हूँ कि कोशिश की गई, मुझ पे भी बहुत कोशिश की, हम सब पे की गई होगी, नहीं कामयाब हुए। अगर मैं कमजोर हूँ तो वो कामयाब हो जाएगा।
इससे मुझे
हमें अपने आप को मजबूत करें।
इससे मुझे इख्तलाफ नहीं, लेकिन मैं एक जसारत करना चाहता हूँ, और अगर आप नाना हो तो मुझे माफ करें। जी सर।
स्पीकिंग फॉर माई सेल्फ विद ग्रेट रिस्पेक्ट, इसके साथ एक प्रॉब्लम है। हम क्या ही रहे हैं कि ठीक है इंटरफेरेंस हो, हमें इतना तगड़ा होना चाहिए, हमें ये कहना चाहिए इंटरफेरेंस इज इनटॉलरेबल। और हम एक सेकंड
सॉरी, मैं नहीं करूँ कि होनी चाहिए, मैं कह रहा हूँ हो रही है, इसको रोकना है।
सुन तो लेना।
अहमद साहब, आप प्लीज आर्ग्यू।
N is something that we repeatedly. The advent of social media has introduced new challenges that must be addressed. Judges, being human, are susceptible to emotions which should
What about the bombardment?
Well, that's exactly what I.
How does one deal with it? Issue contempt notices.
Yes, but we have to not only put the executive to its work here. They have to stop this bombardment.
I'm not talking about executive. Now I'm talking about social media.
Well, yes, social media is regulated by the.
It's not regulated.
Well, it has to be regulated. PTA and the other sort of the agency that they have just set up, they have control over these social medias. And the Supreme Court Bar Association, your Lordship might recall, we held a press conference saying that any kind of trolling of any honorable judge for maintaining any opinion that he has independently cannot be permitted. And our friends here from the press, they came rushing to me and they said that you are obstructing freedom of speech. The Supreme Court Bar Association from day one says that trolling of a judge for an expression that he gave in court proceedings is absolutely intolerable, and the executive branch, which is tasked with the regulation of this social media, must do its work, and we maintain that.
With great respect, speaking for myself, you represent the lawyers of this country.
Lord, I do.
And firstly, we must not fear, at least judges must not fear any criticism, no matter how vicious that is.
Lord, criticism is something else.
Yes, insult is something
probably,
else, and criticism is something else.
On this bench, we have the Honorable Chief Justice, who has, under very difficult times, was a victim of that. And from 2018 till today, I can claim that I was also, my integrity was, but did that make any difference?
Let me explain this.
Judges have to rise above these things. No criticism, no matter how vicious, can affect a judge or the judge's integrity or credibility. It is the people's trust in the judge that matters. Lekin, I have a question for you. What do you think was the most serious contempt in the history of this country? The most serious contempt in the judicial history of this country.
Well, I'm sorry.
The 3rd of November order passed by a 7-member
Nobody
bench.
can disagree with that.
Sun to lena zara. The judiciary was restored with people's power, and this court could not dare issue contempt in that matter. That is the phenomena that is before us. आप कह रहे हैं कि ये जो है, ये हाई कोर्ट के जज, सिविल जज जो है, ये कंटेम्प्ट करें. That 7-member bench order was not only violated, the judges were imprisoned, were detained.
I believe the person involved was tried and sentenced to death.
No one was fired because contempt proceedings in that matter could never be initiated. This court did not have that courage to do it.
Once my lord finishes the question, I'll try to answer that.
Well, I've been thinking about this for a very long time now, and I've gone through your I think we're all working towards a system that we need to develop, because market में tablet तो नहीं available ना to become a strong judge, and वरना बाजार से ले आते. System को develop करना. So I think, and let's see what you have to say. I think 2 things are missing in our system जो हम बनाना चाह रहे हैं. I think these 2 systems, the 2 weaknesses or the 2 elements that are lacking in a system that would lead towards a independent judiciary is, one, that we've never taken action against compromised judges. And we've been brought down to this level because of compromised judges. So had we thrown out the first compromised judge, things would have been much different. We live with them, number one. And number two, if any judge stands up, then the whole judiciary must unite and stand behind him. The system doesn't cater to that. We ignore him, we do not stand behind him. कोई ऐसा सिस्टम हो जिसमें आप लोग इकट्ठे नहीं हो जाते, सारे वकील चाहे गलत बात भी हो इकट्ठे हो जाते हैं आप हमारे खिलाफ, हम इकट्ठे नहीं हो पाते. So हमें कोई सिस्टम बनाना है that we stand for a judge who stands for the right. One judiciary stands behind it. कुछ कर ही नहीं सकते आप, मेरे किसी जज का कुछ नहीं कर सकते अगर सारी जुडिशरी इकट्ठी खड़ी हो जाए. And number two, if I find out there is a compromised judge, he should be thrown out of the system in a minute.
Yes.
But because ये नहीं हो रही दोनों, मेरे ख्याल से I'm just trying to think, हम सारे सोच ही रहे हैं ना.
इसलिए सर, the first, actually पहला proposal तो मैंने jurisdictional context में दे दिया. Second